Now that you read about diversity, you are going to do an activity about diversity. So let's read the directions. It says on the left side, put something special from your family's culture. It can be a holiday, clothing, food, language, religion, custom, which is the thing that you do, or a product, which is the thing that you have. Type the word of what it is, and also draw a picture or insert a photo of it. I'm going to click this blue arrow to hide the directions. So I need to think about something from my culture. My grandparents are from a couple different countries. They're from Ukraine, which is near Russia. They are also from Italy, and they are also from a country called Wales, which is near England. Something that we do is we take a tree ornament, a Christmas ornament, and when it's Christmas Eve, the night before Christmas, we take an ornament that is a pickle. It's not a real pickle, but it's an ornament of a pickle, and somebody hides it on the tree. You hang it up. And then the morning of Christmas, the first person to find that ornament and take it off the tree, they get to open the first present. I could choose that. I think I'm going to go towards something with food, though. And I'm going to pick a food that I really like, and it's called halushki. So I need to add the word. So I'll use the text tool down here. Halushki. I will drag that so it's up near the top. And I need to add a picture of it. I don't want to draw it because that might take a really long time. So I'm going to click here on the photo tool to add a photograph of it. Halushki. Click the magnifying glass to search for it. Ooh, yeah, there we go. So let's find a good one. I'll pick this first one. To put it on the page, you need to scroll down and click on Save. Reminder, if you don't like any of these pictures, they have tons of pages of them. I'm going to click on Save. That looks good. I need to shrink it a little bit, but there we go. So now on the right side, I have to do something. On the right, use the text tool to write a sentence or two explaining what it is and why it's important. Okay, because if I show this to somebody, they probably can tell it's food. I mean, I see a fork, it looks like food, but they don't know what it even is. Like, what is it made out of? So I clicked here for a text tool. All my typing's over here. I don't want it there. 4 arrows, click and drag it over here, let go, grab this blue dot, drag it down to that corner. Now I'm ready. So halushki is a food, and I'm going to say what it's made out of. It's a food made from noodles, onion, cabbage, butter, pepper, and sometimes there's little pieces of bacon in it. So that's what it is. And why is it important? It is important because, and you could use that same sentence frame, it is important because blank. It is important because my mom used to make it for me, comma, and now I make it for myself. If I wanted to, if I needed to, I could change the size of the text with this. Like if it was way too big, this is an okay size. I could read everything. I'm going to read through it one more time to make sure it makes sense. So what is it? Halushki is a food made from noodles, onion, cabbage, butter, pepper, and bacon. And then the second part, why is it important? It is important because my mom used to make it for me, and now I make it for myself. That's something really important with cultures and diversity, is something that your parents and grandparents and great-grandparents did, you now do because they pass it on to their kids. And then when you get old and you get married and you have kids, you're going to share some of that culture with your children also. Man, you're going to be grown up soon. That's crazy. When you are ready to submit this, click the blue right arrow, and then you're going to keep on going. So I'm done with the video. You're done with the video. So you can click the blue arrow and head to the slide. Get started.